His fate is now in the hands of the jury, and Donald Trump does not look confident.
Mother Teresa could not beat these charges. These charges are rigged.
He clearly does not believe there's a positive outcome for him.
Definitely does not appear optimistic about his odds here.
Renowned attorneys from across the political spectrum are weighing in with their predictions.
I can't imagine there'll be anything but a hung jury, but that's just my...
Actually, I have a different take.
James Comey served as director of the FBI before Trump fired him.
I think there's an overwhelming chance of a conviction, a significant but much smaller chance of a hung jury, and zero chance of an acquittal.
I think that his best hope is a hung jury.
Mark Geragos defended Michael Jackson and convicted wife killer Scott Peterson.
And when you talk about a hung jury, you only need one juror.
You only need one juror, but I will tell you, I've tried hundreds of cases. Generally, it takes two to really hold out. It's a rare juror who can stand up to the pressure of 11 other people.
Many assume that the Trump jury of 7 men and 5 women lean more liberal simply because they live here in New York, but the fact is they come from a range of different professions and income brackets. The foreman is a salesman from Harlem. 2 of the men work in finance, 2 others are lawyers. There's also an engineer, a speech therapist, and an English teacher.
I think that inside that jury room, the tension is going to be enormous.
Famed defense attorney Arthur Aidala says he does not expect a quick verdict.
I think it's going to be very difficult for all 12 of them to agree that relying on Michael Cohen, because that's a big piece of the puzzle, a little bit of Stormy Daniels and the others, putting it all together, they have no doubt in their mind, or they don't even have a reasonable doubt in their mind. I think that's going to be difficult.
Trump supporters are here in full force, keeping vigil. When actor Robert De Niro showed up yesterday, some hurled abuse at the Oscar-winning actor, and Trump loved it.
Robert De Niro yesterday was a fool. He's a broken down fool standing out there, and he got maggot. He got maggot yesterday. He got a big dose of it.
Trump had a smaller entourage today, a big change from yesterday's display of family solidarity. But still, no Ivanka and no Melania.
Where's Melania?
Ivanka and Melania not showing up for a single day of this trial.
Melania's former chief of staff, Stephanie Grisham, says if Melania hasn't shown up by now, she ain't coming.
I would be absolutely floored if she showed up. There's just no way. And again, she hasn't shown up this whole time now. And so in her mind, I think she would think that she was caving or even look weak to suddenly show up.